Hi, my name is Claudia. This is the Engineering Design Process class. We are Engineering 2, and our project this month, or this week, was making shoes for ourselves. So each group made their own shoe, their own style, and I'm modeling shoes for this group because the other size didn't fit. They're slippers, and a bunch of people made different things, like this group. They made slippers as well. At the bottom, you can see that there's traction here, so you don't slip and slide. Like at the bottom of this shoe, there are sandpapers, so it's easier to walk in. And then we had to see the size of the model and make the shoe. Most of the shoes have a soft sole, so it's comfortable, and they have a strap going over the top, so your shoe won't slide off or slip around. And each group did different shoes. Like our group, we made shoes, slippers, completely out of hot glue. So we had to trace the person's foot, and then we had to put parchment paper down and put the hot glue on parchment paper to make the shoe.
All right, you go and explain yours.
Okay, so this is our shoe. We use plastic cups, we use paper, we also use corkboard for the soles. We also use styrofoam. And then we also used duct tape to make it sturdy and hard. And we basically decorated it with a dress and fur and, felt.
Can I also point out that we all followed the engineering design process, and the other day Sister Jacqueline was in here and you were doing a field test and it actually broke apart.
Yeah.
So part of that process is to make a modification and improve them. You might want to explain that.
Yeah,
and do me a favor, after you're done, go on, we have a little walkway here, it's almost like a model thing, and they have to walk 10 feet to see if they fall apart. That's the test, the constraint that they had for the project.
Yes, so back to what Mr. J was saying, when Sister Jacqueline was here, it did kind of rip in the middle. So that was actually a good thing because it allowed the shoe to have allowance, so when we walk, the shoe's not ripping. So your shoe, when you're walking, your foot has room to move. So I will just demonstrate how it works. So I'll just put my shoe